Hey guys! If you want to know how to scan your PC to find virus and remove them, this video is for you. When downloading files online, we could accidentally download malicious files. This will slow down our system, steal our personal information, mine cryptos with our computer, show fake system messages and alerts, steal any file from our computer, or even access to our webcam. That's why it's very important to scan your system from time to time and make sure you remove all the virus correctly. To do this, we will use Windows Defender, which is the Windows antivirus, so you won't need to install or pay for one. Go to your search bar and search for Windows Defender or Windows Security. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Once you are here, you will be able to access virus and threat settings, updates, and ransomware protection. To scan our system, go to Scan Options. Here you will see the different types of scans. You can do a quick scan, full scan, custom scan, or offline scan. The quick scan will check the most common folders in your system, but it might not detect a virus if it's well hidden. The full scan will check everything on your hard disk, and it will obviously take longer. I wouldn't recommend the custom scan, so I will skip it. And the offline scan is a very good scan too. This can detect some virus that normal scans wouldn't detect. What I recommend you is to always run a full and offline scan. You should do this from time to time to make sure your system is always clean. In this case, I will just run a quick scan for the video. Just click the Scan Now button, and it will automatically start scanning your files. Now you just need to wait. While the antivirus is scanning, I would like to give some tips about how to prevent downloading malicious files online. First thing is pretty obvious, but don't trust anyone. Only download files from original and trusted sources. There are some websites like VirusTotal that allow you to upload a URL or file, and it will scan it on a lot of different antivirus, so you can see if it's malicious or not before opening it. Create backups of your hard disk if you have important files, so you can access them in case you lose something or install a virus. And the last one is to never disable the real-time protection from Windows Defender. I know there are some cracked programs that will tell you to do that. In most of the cases, they will have a virus, so don't do that. Now the antivirus scanned all my files and it didn't find anything, but if you have virus, it will display the name of the virus and will show the option to remove it. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.